Hey everyone! What if I told you there's a way to double your speed on Windows 11? No more dragging windows, digging through menus or losing files. Today I'm sharing 5 shortcuts you probably never tried, and if you stick around I'll show you how to get printable list of top 20 Windows 11 shortcuts for free. Let's jump in! Welcome to Synkäypse, I'm Kirsi and this is my first video, so bear with me. I'm hoping to get this video done fairly well and I'm hoping to get better in each video, so take it easy on me. And no face cam yet, I'm easing into this, so I will start like this. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how these shortcuts work step by step. This channel is all about saving your time, whether you're a parent, student, gamer or just someone drowning in tabs. And today we are focusing on Windows 11, but stick around for future videos and on other hacks and shortcuts and more, one topic at a time. So each video has one topic. And let's start with the good stuff. Okay, so first up is virtual desktops. You want to keep work and play separate. So for instance, if you like to play solitaire or whatever game, watch Netflix or whatever, then you can create a new desktop so you can switch between Netflix and spreadsheets or whatever, and there are no distractions. So to do that, you press Windows button, Control button and letter D like this, and then you get a new desktop. And then you can toggle between the desktops pressing Windows button, Control button and arrow buttons. So as you can see, I have 3 here, 3 desktops, and I can toggle between them. So you can have as many desktops as you like and toggle between them. And then next one, the second one, opens the clipboard history. And that is, you press Windows button and letter V. And here is your clipboard history, so you never lose a copied link or text again. Okay, and then number 3 is snap layouts. So, and with that you can snap windows into grids. So you're on the internet, on there, if you want to snap the windows into grids, you press Windows button and letter C or Z or however you like to pronounce it, and you get the grids that you can choose. You have 2, if you have the solitaire, and then you're on the internet, whichever you want to choose. So you can do for research and writing or whatever, if you need several windows to be in grids, so this is the easy way to do it. Okay, and then 4th opens quick settings. So that's faster than digging through menus. So you press Windows button and letter A. And here you can toggle night light, daylight, accessibility, internet, airplane mode, battery saver, audio, all the quick settings you can find there. Okay, and then the 5th one, opens task menu. Oh, sorry, that is my cat. He doesn't like that my attention is elsewhere, so I'm sorry that he is meowing in the background if you hear him. Yes, sorry. So last one opens task view. So you press Windows button and tab button. And here you can scroll through apps and files what you have, and like here are the desktops as well. So you can toggle through them. So it was Windows and tab. So it's perfect for finding that one buried tab. If you have several tabs open with this, you can easily find the one that you are looking for. So, okay, those were today's featured shortcuts. And just for watching this video, I'll give you a free bonus, a printable cheat sheet of the top 20 Windows 11 shortcuts. Click the first link in the description to get your free printable cheat sheet. And subscribe for upcoming videos. Next one is going to be about Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint shortcuts. And yes, I'll work up the courage for Facecam soon. Thanks for watching, you're why I'm here. Click that like button, grab your free printable cheat sheet and comment below what topic should I cover next. And see you in the next one. Bye!